If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. Let me define a leader. He must have vision and passion and not be afraid of any problem. Instead, he should know how to defeat it. Most importantly, he must work with integrity. Excellence is continuous process and not an accident. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. Science is a beautiful gift to humanity. We should not distort it. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. We should not give up and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. If four things are followed, having a great aim, acquiring knowledge, hard work and perseverance, then anything can be achieved. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber and future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me. Look at the sky. You are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to give the best to those who dream and work. Those who cannot work with their hearts achieved but a hollow, half-hearted success that breeds bitterness all around. While children are struggling to be unique, the world around them is trying all means to make them look like everybody else. I firmly believe that unless one has tasted the bitter pill of failure, one cannot aspire enough for success. The youth need to be enabled to become job generators from job seekers. One of the very important characteristics of a student is to question. Let the student ask questions. Be more dedicated to making solid achievements than in running after swift but synthetic happiness. Creativity is the key to success in the future, and primary education is where teachers can bring creativity in children at that level. Do we not realize that self-respect comes with self-reliance? To become unique, the challenge is to fight the hardest battle which anyone can imagine until you reach your destination. Poetry comes from the highest happiness or the deepest sorrow. Life is a difficult game. You can win it only by retaining your birthright to be a person. You see, God helps only people who work hard. That principle is very clear. The bird is powered by its own life and by its own motivation. If we are not free, no one will respect us.